Hey guys, welcome back to Bake with Banusami. In this video I am going to show you guys how to make Muslim style mutton biryani. Let's get started. First step, we need to pressure cook the mutton. For that I took 1 kg mutton, clean the mutton, add little water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well and pressure cook at a low flame for 4 whistles until your mutton is cooked. Next step, we need to soak the rice. For that I took 800 grams of India Gate Basmati rice, classic. You could use any kind of rice. Wash and soak the rice for 30 minutes. Take a pan, heat the pan, add 8 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the oil is heated, to that add cinnamon, bay leaf, cardamom. Do check out the full written recipe in description box below. Star anise and some cloves. To that add 500 grams of chopped onion. For 1 kg mutton and 800 grams of rice, I took 500 grams of onion and 350 grams of tomatoes. Saute the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes until it gets soft. Look at this. We need light pinkish color or golden in color. See, our onions are cooked now. To this add 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Try to use fresh one. Fresh one gives nice flavor to our biryani. And saute for a minute. Saute until the raw smell goes out. To this add our cooked mutton. Instead of mutton you could use chicken too with the same recipe. Add the mutton and saute for about 2 minutes. To this add 5 to 6 numbers of green chilies and mix well. Then add our spice powders. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. It depends on your spiciness. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon full of garam masala powder. If you have biryani masala powder, you could use that. And saute for about 2 minutes until the masalas are well coated with mutton. Do not add any water. Just saute this for about 1 to 2 minutes. To this add our 350 grams of chopped tomatoes and mix well. And cook this for about 1 minute until the tomatoes all get soft. Look at this. To this add chopped coriander and mint. Do check out the full written recipe in description box below. And cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once it is sauteed, add 200 grams of curd and saute the mixture until streaks of oil appear on top. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook this mixture. Keep on sauteing or it will get burnt. Look at this. We are seeing oil on top. To this add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix well. Now we are going to add the water. This is the measurement glass I took. Add the cooked mutton water. Don't throw it. It gives nice flavor. For 1 cup of rice, add 2 cups of water. I took 4 glasses of rice, so I am adding 8 glasses of water to it. Add salt and mix well. Mix well and let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Close the pan, let it boil. See, our water is boiling now. Now we are going to add our soaked rice. Add the rice. Just gently mix it. Do not over mix it or else your rice will break. And let it cook for about 10 minutes. Do check for salt and seasonings and gently combine it. Combine in intervals. We do not want our rice to get burnt. Gently stir it. Gently stir it at 1 to 2 intervals. Look at this. Our rice are cooked almost. Almost cooked now. Now we are going to keep it in dum. Level the top. If you want, you can add little ghee on top too. Here I didn't add it. And cover the pan. Take a old tawa or this kind of jhali. Make sure your flame is at low. And keep the pan and let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the lid. Look at this. Enjoy this delicious Muslim style biryani with onion raita or brinjal gravy. We used to have with onion raita or brinjal gravy. See, do try it out and let me know how it has turned out for you. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.